Hey everybody, Phil Plait here. There comes a time in every published author's life when a box comes in the mail, a box like this one. And that box contains my book! Well, not every published author gets my book, but I get my book. That contains 24 copies of Under Alien Skies, A Sightseer's Guide to the Universe. My fourth book, my third with an actual publishing company, and I'm very excited about this. Now, a few months ago, I did get this. This is an advanced reading copy, a box of these, and it's paperback, and the text is basically finalized and everything, but it's sent out for reviews and blurbs and things like that. And it's not the final copy, but that's what's in here. That's what's in this box right there. My next book, and I'm very excited to see it. So let's take a look. Okay, now that I've got the back-facing camera on, there you go. Under Alien Skies, author Plait, Philip. That's what my mom always called me. And the publisher, W. Norton and Company. And there it is. Let's see. Very exciting. Get this open. Not the best job, but I have to hold the camera. And there they are, 24 hard copy books, hard paperback, not paperback, paper in the middle, but hardcover on the outside. I know that guy. I've even read that book. Under Alien Skies, A Sightseer's Guide to the Universe. Yes. Look, blurbs. John Green, Laura Helmuth, Bill Nye, Jack Weinersmith. He did another guy for 20 years. I think I'd know his name. Zach Weinersmith, Saturday Morning Breakfast Cereal. And Publishers Weekly, which also wrote me a very nice little review of this book. Inside cover. Here's some other things I've written. And there's, I think this is called the frontispiece. The front-facing little thing about the book, celebrating 100 years of Norton, and of course the dedication. To anyone who has dreamed of standing on the bridge of a starship, looking out into the universe. And always, for Marcella and Zoe, of course. Chapter list. Lots and lots of words. 80,000 words, something like that. Let's see, got any illustrations? Yeah, look at this. Some illustrations by Chris Jones. Look at that. Nice. And, whoa, inset color pictures of different places in the solar system and beyond. And more words, and it's a whole flippin' book. Look at that, it's a whole book. A whole book written by me. And it's available for order on April, pre-order now, but it's coming out April 18th, 2023.